We are experiencing the impact of climate change on a global scale. As a result, Welsh, UK and international governments have already declared a climate emergency. Climate change affects us all, putting more and more strain on our ecosystems, economies, communities, infrastructure and the health and well-being of both current and future generations. It transcends political and social boundaries, and it's often those in vulnerable situations who are impacted the most. The only way to tackle this is if we all work together.
As one of Wales's flagship companies, we're proud to commit to delivering net zero carbon emissions by 2040. This isn't simply a target in relation to infrastructure or operational emissions, it's about changing the way we think, plan and deliver. We're a socially responsible company with a clear purpose and vision to earn the trust of our customers every day. It's about taking responsibility for managing the biggest challenge of our time, which is climate change, focusing on the long term and ensuring we protect our customers, our communities and the wider environment whilst leaving a fairer future for generations to come.
Welsh Water provides essential public services in the management of the water cycle to over 1 million homes and businesses. That's over 3 million customers across most of Wales and some adjacent parts of England. This requires processes and activities which not only rely on the environment, but have a direct impact on it. We are committed to ensuring that our operations do not adversely affect our land, rivers and seas, and that we become a truly world-class, resilient and sustainable water service for the benefit of future generations. And as the climate changes, we need to adapt the way we deliver our services to allow us to deal with the challenges brought about by our changing environments for years to come. Having already reduced our total carbon footprint, including the carbon emissions from our operations by approximately 65% since 2010, we know what it takes to get this done and have some great examples of initiatives which are making a real difference already. We chose an ambitious, proactive response to achieving a net zero future. We are committed to reducing our total carbon emissions by 90% by 2030 and achieving carbon neutrality by 2040. Our journey to achieve this will focus on 5 key areas: harnessing nature, saving water, powering a cleaner future, tackling fugitive emissions, offsetting carbon. This is a long-term project, one where we'll need to change, adapt and innovate to achieve our targets. But we are committed to delivering net zero carbon emissions by 2040 to protect our customers, our communities and the wider environment for now and for future generations to come. Welsh Water, for you, not for profit.